Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a review video on some Bluetooth bone conduction headphones by Mionbel. Let's get into it. Let's check these out. Let's get these unboxed and see what they're all about. Very well packaged. Here's your instruction manual right here. Here's the actual headphones. See what we got here. Here's your charging cable. Some foam earplugs right there. That's everything in the box. Alright, just to give you an idea on the weight of these open-eared headphones from Mionbel. It says that they are 1.2 ounces, very light. Size-wise, these are very flexible, but you're looking at 4 inches across. From front to back, you're looking at 5.5 inches. Alright, so now that we've unboxed these, we've put them on the scale to see how much they weigh, we've measured these things, let's talk about price. So right now on Amazon, they're running $39.99. There's a link in the description where you can find these. The instructions on these open-eared headphones, very clear and concise, very straightforward, shows you how to wear them. Shows you how to control them. There's a little LED indicator on them. Got your power button, your pause button, your play button, call answering button, the Type-C charging port on these. Alright, so to connect these Mionbel open ear headphones, you just want to go in and enable Bluetooth on your device, whatever it may be. Bluetooth's on. We're going to go ahead and turn these on. You want to long press the power button on these. You should get a little indicator. There's your indicator flashing. Go into Bluetooth. There's Mionbel. You go ahead and select the Mionbel to connect. And Mionbel is connected officially, yes. Okay, so then you go and you just find something to play. Hit the play button. And you've got some sound coming through here, and pretty good sound, I must admit. Okay, then once you find something to play, you can sit there and change your volume right there on the open-ear wireless headset. Just hit these buttons up and down. You can pause it. You can restart it. Pause it again, restart it. Got some nice features here. You can long press it. That took us to the next song by long pressing it. Long press it again. And there we go. And it's putting out some really good sound, and good quality sound. The open-ear wireless headphones from Mionbel, these would be great for working, for driving, for exercising, for school, for making phone calls. Oh, I think I'm going to take a nap. Take off my headphones. Hey, you little. Hey you guys, do me a big favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out my new YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Alright, let's go over the 6 strong points of these open-ear wireless headphones by Mionbel right now. Strong point number 1, whether you're out jogging, hiking, riding your mountain bike, whatever it is you're doing, you can still be aware of the world around you. If there's a car approaching, somebody coming up behind you, whatever's going on, you can still hear that. So that's a huge strong point. Strong point number 2, these are lightweight and very comfortable to wear. Look at that. Strong point number 3, fast charge time, 1.5 hours, and a long play time up to 8 hours. Strong point number 4, built-in microphone. You get a call coming in, just answer it and just talk to somebody while you're running, riding your bike, whatever it is you're doing. Kinda cool. Strong point number 5, ease of controls. They're all just placed right here. Just super easy to control those and adjust your volume, your on off, and whatever it is you need to do. Strong point number 6, these are waterproof. Now it doesn't mean take them swimming, but you can go out running in the rain, riding in the rain, whatever. but don't get them like in the swimming pool, okay? They're sweat-proof basically. All right, let's go over the 2 drawbacks of these open-ear wireless headphones from Mionbel right now. All right, so drawback number 1, these are not adjustable. So it's a one size fits all. So these do not adjust. Like I say, it's super comfortable. They're very flexible. Okay, so drawback number 2, this may or may not be a drawback, but I'm going to list it anyway. This is more of a preference issue. So the open ear concept, a lot of people don't like that they can still hear the world around them. It may take some getting used to. I personally prefer being able to hear if a car is coming up behind you when you're out riding your mountain bike or when you're out hiking or walking or whatever it is. Some people don't like the fact that they can still hear what's going on around them. They only want to have, you know, those things stuffed into their ears and only want to be able to listen to the music or the conversation or whatever is going on or their YouTube video. So I like the open ear concept, and like I say, this is more of a matter of preference than something that's going to detract from these headphones. So in summary, these open ear wireless headphones from Mionbel, I'm going to give these things 2 thumbs up. I'm going to give them 4.5 out of 5 stars because you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. For the $39.99, these are some good headphones. I love the open ear concept. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure and check out these other videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later.